Okay, this is going to be Unit 4 Review, Part 3, and this is going to kind of sum up the whole chapter review. Um, we did a lot of unit rates, constant rate of changes, some graphing. We created some equations. We figured out if things were proportional. On the quiz, the kids will see problems just like this. A person can buy 8-ounce bottle of sports drink for $1.79. And then they can buy another one. It's 11 ounces for $2.09. Get 11 ounces, and they want you to figure out which is the best deal. You have to get the unit rate. Inga compares prices of a different fruit at a grocery store. There's apples, plums, peaches, and apples. You can get 3/4 of a pound for $1.59. Plums you can get for $1.15 a half a pound. And then peaches you can get 3 pounds for $5.37. Figure out the unit rate and determine which one is the best deal just by dividing. Now this one you would double because it's a half a pound, so you could say $2.30. This one divide and it gives you your unit rate, so it's $1.79 for 1 pound. And this one is $2.12 for 1 pound. The best deal are the apples and the peaches because those are the cheapest. Maya earned $132.25 for 23 hours of work. And then Lewis earned $93.75 for 15 hours of work. Are their rates proportional? So you take them and you divide, and if they come out to be the same, if you get the same constant, the same unit rate, then they are proportional. If they are different, then they are not the same. Okay, they'll have to figure out the missing value in the proportion. 4.5 miles in 54 minutes. Well, how many miles in 20 minutes? Students can take 4.5, times it by 20, and then divide that by 54. They could potentially get a decimal, and that's okay. Sometimes they get nervous thinking that they can't get a decimal. That's okay. Okay, here's a problem-solving problem that they'll see again. It says an interior wall of a room is 14 and 2 feet long, and the width is 12.3. They have scaled it down and made a smaller model, and the length is going to be 7 inches. And they are wondering what is going to be the width. So you can set it up like a proportion. So let's do 14.2 feet long and 12.3 feet wide. And the 7 inches represents the length. So length is up here for long, so 7 inches. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. 7 inches. And we need to figure out what this inches would be. And you just cross multiply and divide. Part B says what unit on the model equals 1 foot. Now students can figure out, they want to either figure out how many feet are in 1 inch. So X amount of feet in 1 inch, or how many inches represent 1 foot. I'll accept either answer. Let's show you how to set this up. So let's take the one that we were given. This is the one that we were given, so let's take it. And it's feet, so let's take 14.2 feet in 7 inches. Add some space here. There we go. So take 14.2 and divide it by 7, and it gives you 2.02. And it goes on a little bit, but that's okay. So we could say there are 2.02 feet in 1 inch, or 7 inches and 14.2 feet. And it's almost a half an inch. I should change these words in to represent